Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Agri Knowledge. I am Manisha and today I am going to discuss about agriculture, current affair and recent data 2020. It will include area, production and productivity of field crops. The total geographical area of India is 328.7 million hectare and the total arable or we can say cultivated land in India is 141.67 million hectare. As we know, India is an agricultural country, so around 60 to 65% of population depend on agriculture for their livelihood. In India, the total food grain production in 2019-20 is 291.95 million tons. That is more than the production in 2018-19, that is 284.95 million tons. Now we talk about area production and productivity of major cereals. The total area of cereals in India is 98.90 million hectare in 2018-19. Now it is increased and become 99.20 million hectare. The total production of cereals in India is 261.545 million tons and in 2019-20 it is 266.40 million tons. The first major cereal is rice, that is Oryza sativa. In word, the area is 165 million hectare and production is 700 million tons. Productivity is 4242 kg per hectare. And India is having the highest area in the world, followed by China. China is having the highest production, followed by India, and China also having the highest productivity. In India, area is around 45 million hectare, production is 116.42 million tons and productivity is 2587 kg per hectare. Area and production having the same trend, that is West Bengal followed by UP. It means West Bengal having the highest area as well as production in India, while productivity Punjab is having the highest productivity in India. And the next one is wheat, that is Triticum aestivum. In word, the area is 225 million hectare and India is having the highest area in the world, followed by China. In production 736 million tons and the China is having the highest production, followed by India. Productivity is 3000 kg per hectare and UK is having the highest productivity of wheat in the world. In India, the area is 31.3 million hectare and UP is having the highest area, followed by Punjab, and production is 102.19 million tons. UP is having the highest production, followed by Punjab. So UP followed by Punjab is having the highest area as well as production. In case of productivity, Punjab is having the highest productivity. The next one is maize, that is Jia maize. In word, the area is 159 million hectare, production is 690 million tons, productivity is 5509 kg per hectare. USA is the leading country in area in the world, followed by Brazil, and in production USA is having the highest production, followed by China, and the productivity is of USA followed by France. It means that USA is leading country in area, production as well as productivity in the world. If we talk about India, in India area is 11 million hectare, production is 27.83 million tons and productivity is 2530 kg per hectare. And Karnataka is having the highest area, followed by Rajasthan, and in production Andhra Pradesh followed by Karnataka, and AP is also having the highest productivity in India. Sorghum, that is sorghum bicolor. In word, the area is 40 million hectare and India is having the highest area, followed by Africa. Production, that is 56 million tons, and also USA having the highest production followed by India. And the productivity is 1404 kg per hectare, and Argentina having the highest productivity. In India, the area is 7.1 million hectare and Maharashtra is having the highest area followed by Karnataka. Production is 8.71 million tons and Maharashtra followed by Karnataka. Productivity is 1227 kg per hectare. Andhra Pradesh followed by Gujarat is the trend. And if we talk about the pearl millet, that is Panicetum typhoideum, in world, India is having the highest area followed by Africa, and also India is having the highest production followed by Africa, and Africa is having the highest productivity. In India, area is 10.6 million hectare and Rajasthan has having the highest area followed by Maharashtra in production, that is 9.73 million tons, Rajasthan followed by UP. And productivity is 917 kg per hectare and UP is having the highest productivity followed by Gujarat. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.